Chapter 1. The fire starts in the mind. They think it starts in the gym, in the arena, under the lights. But they're wrong. It starts in the shadows, when it's just you, your thoughts, and the battle in your head. That's where the savage mindset is born. When the excuses show up, and you shut them down. When comfort calls, and you slam the door shut. Champions aren't built on stage. They're built in silence, in early mornings and lonely nights, in reps no one counts and hours no one sees. Because a champion doesn't need validation. They need vision. The savage mindset begins when you decide that your dreams are non-negotiable and your grind is the proof. Chapter 2. The difference is in the damage. This game doesn't reward the ones who avoid pain. It crowns the ones who walk through it and come out sharper, stronger, scarred, but dangerous. The savage mindset? It's not about being fearless. It's about being unbreakable. You've got to want it more than you want to breathe, more than you want to rest, more than you want to be liked. Because savages aren't chasing comfort. They're hunting greatness. They take the damage, the failure, the doubt, and they turn it into fuel. That's the difference. Most people get burned and break. Champions, they burn and rise. Chapter 3. Jord. Enter the arena to conquer. When the time comes, the savage doesn't walk in hoping to win. They walk in expecting to dominate. This isn't about proving anything to the world. This is about proving to yourself that all the pain had a purpose. That every moment you kept going when it made no sense. That's what made you lethal. You're not just here to show up. You're here to own it. Control the pace. Crush the standard. Set fire to anything in your way. The champion's mindset says, if I step into this arena, I'm leaving with more than a win. I'm leaving with a legacy. That's what makes the savage unstoppable.